Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. In this video, we're going to talk about a few different credit lines that you could add to your personal credit report that's going to be worth up to $37,000, actually $37,500, that could help boost your credit score very quickly in at least 30 days. Some of these you may have heard of, some of these you may have not, but you definitely want to watch this entire video from start to finish because this could really help you out, especially if you have bad credit or you're just starting to build your credit up. This is very important so you can get those big, nice credit cards later on down the line. So make sure that you subscribe to this channel if you want to see more videos like this about credit, business credit, personal credit, and ways to make money online. I do also upload some videos about some business grants as well if you have a business, to help you get some funding, free funding for your business. So definitely subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications on when I drop new videos. So the first one that we're going to talk about is Chime. There's not a specific line of credit or a specific limit that you can get. This one is going to be based off of your security deposit that you're going to be able to put on the credit builder account. This is a new way to build credit with Chime. It is their secured Visa credit card. So there is no annual fee, no interest, no credit check, and no minimum security deposit required. So you can put as much or as little as you want on there. There are no surprise fees or anything like that. So they believe that everybody deserves a fair shot at good credit. So a lot of secured credit cards will do a credit check, like Capital One and Discover and all the other ones. Most of them do credit checks, but this one doesn't. So you can help boost your credit score up to 30 points is what they say with their secured card. Now the link for this is going to be down in the description. So how this works is you're going to move money. You have to have a Chime account. You're going to move money from your Chime account to the credit builder account, and then you're going to pay the balance after you spend the money. So you're only spending what you put on your secured card. Pretty simple, pretty easy, pretty straightforward. They already have over 500,000 people using this. So you're just going to click on Apply Now. You're going to go through their application process. It should only take a few minutes. So that's pretty much it for Chime credit builder account. This second credit builder account or primary trade line is Buy on Trust. You can get up to $5,000 with them. You can get approved with bad credit or no credit. They give you instant approvals the same day. They are available nationwide except for Minnesota, New Jersey, Wisconsin, and Wyoming. So pretty much all of the states except for 4. And you can do same day pickup at a Best Buy location. So whatever you purchase online, you can pick it up at a Best Buy location near you. So in order to apply, you can either click on this banner, or you can click right here where it says get approved. Okay, so here are the steps. So you're going to make an initial payment of $50 for the membership, or pretty much as a down payment on whatever you purchase. You do have to purchase something with them to have the account. Some of these other accounts that I'm going to talk about, you will not have to purchase anything besides a membership. You won't have to purchase any physical products. But this one, you will have to. I believe they're through Progressive Leasing. So the first step is you're going to get pre-approved. Then you're going to start shopping. Then you're going to check out or selecting your Best Buy store location that you want to pick up your items from. Then you're going to pick up your items. So it's pretty much straightforward. You're going to buy whatever you want to buy and pay it off within the next 12 months. Or they have a 90-day option to where you can pay it off in 90 days and spend less money. So if you click on the application, they're going to ask you for your name and your email and your phone number. Okay, so actually it is through Acima. So Acima is a lease to own company. And that's who they're using for you to be able to lease the products. And Acima only reports to Experian. So this one only reports to one credit bureau. So keep that in mind. So you'll enter in your phone number, and then you go through the pre-approval process. They're going to tell you whether or not you're approved. You're going to put in how much money you make, your job, how much you get paid every week. It's going to be, you're going to select whether you get paid every week, bi-weekly, semi-monthly, whatever. And that's when your payments are going to be due based off of what you put on the application as to your paycheck frequency. So it's pretty simple, pretty straightforward. This one is a lease to own company. They will only report to Experian. So keep that in mind. Okay, so here's another company called AG Jewelers, Attractive Gems Jewelers. This one you can get a $10,000 line of credit reported to all 3 credit bureaus. You do not have to purchase anything with them besides a membership fee and an annual fee. So the membership fee is going to be due right when you sign up. The annual fee will be due a year after. This is a really good account. They report within 30 days. I actually have gotten this account before, and it boosted my credit score by 27 points. So you don't have to buy anything besides the membership. You don't have to purchase any jewelry or anything like that up front, just the membership, and it will report to your credit bureau accounts every single month without you having to purchase any items from them. So very easy, very simple. Just click on become a member. They are not doing any credit checks. The only thing you have to do is do this simple application process. You'll click the link down in the description box to get access to this one. You're going to complete this application here, answer questions, verify your identity, and then you're going to pay the $159, and then you're going to sign the documents that they give you after you pay the $159. And then within 30 days, they're going to report this account to all 3 credit bureaus. Very simple, very easy. Can help boost your credit score within 30 days. Okay, so the next one that we're going to talk about is Lygos Jewelry. This one you can get $12,500 worth of credit with them, and they will report to all 3 credit bureaus. So this is how it works. So theirs is a little bit different. There is a one-time enrollment fee, which includes your first month's fee, and then your next 30 days membership fee will be due within 30 days from the date that you enrolled. So they have a monthly fee. A&G Jewelers just has a yearly fee and a sign-up fee. Lygos Jewelry has a monthly membership fee, and they will report up to $12,500 to all 3 credit bureaus. So this specific company is not a trade line company. What they're doing is they're reporting your monthly payments that you're making for their membership to the credit bureaus. So when they submit the files to the credit bureaus is once every month. They say that they stop taking new account data on the 25th of every month. They verify all data and submit to the credit bureaus on the 5th of the month. So your credit line will take 14 to 45 days to show on your credit report from the 5th of the month. So this one is no hard credit check. Also, what you want to keep in mind is they do not do automatic payments. So you have to come and log in to your account every month to pay your monthly membership bill. You are not required to purchase any merchandise, and you do not receive a physical card with them. So the way that you sign up is you click on become a member. You're going to purchase the membership fee, which is $189. And then it's going to be $39.99 per month until you cancel it. So you'll click on buy now, and you'll click on continue to application. So you're going to fill out the application, then you're going to pay, and then you're going to get the confirmation. Then, like I said, your account is going to start reporting within 14 to 45 days to all 3 credit bureaus. And then after 30 days from the day that you make the $189 payment, you're going to pay $39.99 every single month. And you do have to log into your account every month to pay. It's not auto pay. So it's kind of teaching you how to make payments on time because it's not automatic. So that's it for this company, Lygos Jewelry. Okay, so the last company that we're going to talk about is Tomo Credit. This particular company is a newer company. They're offering a line of credit or a credit card that has no interest, no fees, no credit check, and you can get up to 1% cash back. You can get from $100 all the way up to $10,000, and you do not have to have a minimum credit score. This is going to help you build your credit. It's pretty awesome because, again, they do no credit checks. There are no fees or anything like that. So what they do is they evaluate your individual circumstances and take into account alternative metrics to determine your credit worthiness. So they're going to be looking at your financial information to determine how much they're going to allow you to have on your line of credit. They report to all 3 major credit bureaus, and also whatever you spend will have to be on auto pay for you to pay back within a week, 2 weeks, or a month. And your payments are going to help build up payment history on your credit score, which is very important to help boost your credit, to help you build credit history. Also, right now they are in the process of sending out new invites to people on their waiting list. So right now they have a waiting list, and they're going to be sending out the invites to those people that are on the waiting list this week. I just got word, I spoke to somebody from Tomo Credit before recording this, that they're sending out over 100,000 invites to people on their waiting list. So right now you can get on the waiting list. They have a waiting list because this blew up very quickly. This is my second time actually talking about this because it's very powerful. They're not looking at any credit. They're just going off of your financial banking history to give you a line of credit, which is very powerful. This is something that new fintech companies are starting to do because they see that there is a gap in the industry where it's not very easy to start building up credit because they want you to have some type of credit in order to get approved for credit. So it's hard to start off building your credit if everything is based up off of the credit you already have. So they're not looking at credit. In order to get on their waiting list, you're going to click the link down in the description, and you're going to put your email in right here to see if you're pre-approved. Once you're pre-approved, you're going to be on their waiting list, and they're going to be sending out invites very soon. So that's all for this video. All of the programs that I showed you in this video amount to over $37,500 in lines of credit that you can have added to your credit report to help boost your credit. You can pick from whichever ones that you're interested in. Some of them cost money, some of them don't. But thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.